Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ava and today we're making something really delicious, noodles. Okay, for this recipe we'll be needing all these ingredients you see here, but before we get going, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video and click on the like button if you feel this video was really helpful to you. The ingredients will be on the description box below, but I need to tell you guys the ingredients before we get started. Well, let's get cooking. Okay, here we have a chicken wing, diced tomato, some peppers that I cut too. Here we have 1 teaspoon of curry powder. We have some freshly diced onions, and then here are the mixed ingredients from the Indomie noodles. And then here are three noodles. And then here is a cup of water. Well, let's get started. In a pan, I'm going to be pouring the 1 cup of water. I'll be putting in the diced onions. Then I on my gas cooker. And I'm going to fetch in another water. Okay, here is the other cup of water, so I'm just going to pour it again. Now, we're going to allow this to simmer for like 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, we'll be back to put in the necessary ingredients. Okay, here guys, you see the diced onions, it's simmering now, and now we're seeing bubbles, and it's okay. So now we're going to come to this bowl right here, this plate right here. We have some diced peppers, so I'm just going to put in the peppers now. When I was waiting for this to start bubbling up, I put in 1 tablespoon of 1 spoon of stew and some fresh scent leaves. Okay, now just going to put in some fresh peppers, and then I put in the diced tomatoes too, and a pinch of salt. Okay, now I'm going to let this bubble up. Now as it's bubbling up, I'm going to get vegetable oil, and then I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of it. Then I'm going to put it in here. Okay, cover it up. Okay, now I'm going to kindly add in the stew, and now I'm going to also add in the mixed spices too. I'm going to put this spoon and stir it. Guys, come and look at what it looks like. Look, it looks like we're making a little sauce here, but this is for the noodles. Okay, now back here. I'm going to notice that I put in all the dried ingredients into this saucepan, but I didn't put the curry powder. The reason is that I didn't want this curry powder to actually overpower all the things I put into the pot. So I'm just going to set the curry powder, and this curry powder is going to be the last thing I'm going to put in. Okay, now I'm just going to get a plate, sorry, and keep it here. Then I'm going to wash my scent leaves. Okay, here now I'm done washing the scent leaf, so I'm just going to cut it. Let me get my wooden. Okay, don't just forget about the spatula and just slide it that way. Okay, now I'm done cutting this. Okay, so now it's time for me to put. Okay, Okay, now it's time for me to put in my noodles. Going to place it in here. Okay, can we? Just going to set this aside. Okay, now I'm going to let this cook in for some time. And when I get back, it will be all cooked in and ready to turn over. Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like. You can see this. Place it in, put it. Okay, now I'm just going to let it for 2 minutes for it to soften before we add in the curry powder seasoning and then serve with the chicken wings. Yeah? Okay, now you can see it's softening. It's softening. So I'm just going to break it down with a spoon. Okay, so now I'm breaking this down. And now look, guys, come and see what it looks like. Wow, look, it's fully softened now. So I'm just going to let this sauce move into the noodles really, really well. Okay, now as that's happening, I'm going to put in this baby girl. Just some of my chicken wings. You know, and at this point, we feel that oil makes your noodles shine. So you feel like it's not shining the way you want it to shine, then you could feel free to add in one or half teaspoon of or tablespoon of vegetable oil. You could actually even replace the oil I added before with olive oil, sunflower oil. So far as it's an oil that is edible, you could put it in. Because guys, look at what this looks like now. Look at something in me. Okay, now I'm going to put in my scent leaves. Calmly put in my scent leaves. And I'm stirring this spoon. Because the thing I actually use in cooking my noodles spoiled, so sooner or later I'll be going to the market to get a new one. Okay, now just going to give this the last stir. Okay, now time to dish it. Okay, I'm going to keep this aside. Now I'm going to put on my chicken wings to eat and get a fork. What it will look like when you're done. Look, I know you guys are going to enjoy this. So please, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post in a new video, you get notified. Yeah? That's it for now, people. Good day.